Fast.
We finished the found H farm.
There's seasoning on the guanciale. We need a lot of pecorino. We did it together, guys.
Pronti, chef?
Si, chef.
Chef.
Let's go.
Hi, I'm Leo, I'm from Rome, and today we are going to cook an amazing carbonara for the Carbonara Day with Antonello and these amazing people that are international students at H Farm.
Nice being here with you guys today. I'm Antonello Barbaro. I'm with you today as the chef of Villa Ania and of H Farm College. Today I will really focus to express myself in the best way possible on cooking a carbonara for you. Mi sembra giusto che arrivi da una borsa di H Farm? Mi sembra giusto, cioè voi qua dentro... Oh mamma mia! Oh mio Dio! No. Allora ragazzi, c'è una cosa gravissima, cioè, questa è una cosa veramente brutta, un romano. Questa sarebbe stata una giornata perfetta, ma non so chi ha fatto la spesa, purtroppo questo programma non può andare avanti, perché loro ci hanno portato la panna. La panna è come il cappuccino dopo le 14. Questa può andare bene per i tortellini con la panna e in effetti, come vedete sulla immagine, non c'è la carbonara, c'è tortellini con panna. E poi soprattutto ci hanno deliziato di prosciutto cotto. Anche questo diciamo che non rientra proprio nel manuale della carbonara perfetta che si fa tra testaccio e trastevere. Noi siamo solamente guanciale che deve lavorare per un po'. Quindi noi adesso iniziamo a lavorare su questo, ma mandiamo qualcuno a prendere gli ingredienti giusti. Oh, allora bene.
Prima scelta,
mi
Mamma
sembra
mia.
Andiamo bene. Allora la prova del guanciale, come voi sapete, si fa in questo modo, non so se tu sai. Prendi il guanciale, lo posizioni, lo scopri e senti. Bene, allora adesso siamo sereni, si può lavorare. Dopo questo scherzone che ci hanno fatto, diciamo che possiamo partire, Leo. Che ne pensi?
Facciamo.
Bene. The key question is, how many times have you already got the pleasure of tasting a carbonara?
Very few times.
Very few times.
It's the first time for me. Wow, that's great.
You have to know that last time that I cooked a carbonara was quite some months ago. So today I will do the real one with Leo and absolutely chef and with your help. So ready to go?
Ready to go.
Super.
No pressure.
So do you know the ingredients? So carbonara is normally a type of pasta. We like, you have different options. You can have spaghetti, so we can use mezze maniche. We are using rigatoni, I guess, today. Then we have eggs, pecorino cheese, and the special guest for us. Special guest for us. Leo, what do we have here?
Guanciale. I was gonna say pancetta, but it's not, it's guanciale.
Boom!
Let's go.
Best of both worlds, right?
So this is the Rolls Royce of carbonara. I would say, why don't we split in teams? And we have two of you preparing and cutting that, slicing, while we take care of the eggs. And we prepare them.
Oh, relax.
Yeah, love it. Lovely.
Found H farm, and I never ever regret of this choice because you just come to the place where you've never been, you have no expectation, and there is a high probability that something can go wrong, but it was not. It's been an amazing experience last year because like H farm allow you to study, but at the same time you have a lot of time to do your own projects or to travel.
Amazing.
You did a wonderful job here. It is perfect. So Leonardo will not be absent with us.
The developed campuses in Italy, I think, is H Farm. And it also, what really stood out to me was how developed it was in technological aspects, especially digital management. And so I found it very suitable for my future. And since then I've been enjoying the process, meeting new friends from different cultures.
Guanciale into the pan.
Take this for the cucchiarella.
Okay. Teamwork. Yeah, let's go. Critical team building. The fat melted and now as if it's drenched in oil.
Up to you, man.
Thank you.
We can check every single time how creamy the egg cream comes. It should not be too dense, but not either like too liquid, you know?
Okay.
I would say a bit more.
Yeah, me too, me too.
Vai, vai, vai.
Taking good care of the babies like a baby, yeah. Let's go, guys.
Have a look at the cream.
We did it together, guys. È buona,
Thought
è
that
proprio buona.
Iran is a desert.
This phenomenal group of students that are expressing cooking capabilities at a 3-star Michelin level.